This is exactly how to fix ChatGPT network error. So what we need to do firstly is to close our ChatGPT app and instead go to the settings app on our phone here, as you can see. And then we need to scroll down and click on general and then click on storage. And now what we need to do is to just wait for this page to load all of the apps that we currently have on our phone right now. So we're just gonna wait a couple of seconds, and after it's done loading here, we're gonna click on applications right here, as you can see, and then just search for ChatGPT and click on the ChatGPT app. Then click on Upload App, and once again in here, click on Upload App, as you can see. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load now, and then click on Reinstall App. Then just wait for the ChatGPT app to completely update to its latest version. I'm just going to search for it so you can see. Oh, sorry. Yep, here it is. As you can see, it's loading now, so we're just gonna wait for it to finish the loading process. And by the way, even if it's actually done here and it still isn't working for you, what you can do instead then is to just swipe like this on your phone, enable the airplane mode, and then after about 5 to 10 seconds, disable it, and then go back and try once again. So as you can see, this was actually able to completely fix it for me, and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.